Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about how you can create dynamic title for the Power BI report or visual. This is a short video, so let's get started. But before that, if you are first time here on my channel and you didn't subscribe my channel yet, then go ahead and subscribe my channel. I upload Power BI and Excel videos regularly on this channel. Okay, let's get started. So here I am in Power BI and I have this one visual report with the slicer, and you can see that when I change the country on the slicer, it changed my report title and visual title as well. Okay, so I'm going to show you how you can create this. So I'm going to open up second report page and let's get some visual. So I'm going to use this visual, a combo chart, and I'm going to use my sales and a date and then profit as well. The profit I would like to put it on the line chart. I don't want my legend title, just let me remove that. Okay, and I'm going to take a text box for our report title. Now we are going to create a measure. So for that, I'm going to right click on my table and new measure, and my measure name is report title is equal to, I am going to use a text as part of title, so it should be in double quote, and my text is sales and profit by date for. Then I'm going to use %, and then double quote again with the space and %, again, and I'm going to use now selected value function, and in that I'm going to use a financial, which is my table and country column, and close the bracket. And I have this measure ready now. My text box is selected. I'm going to get a format pane here, and under the title I'm going to use a conditional formatting, and the field value is already selected on the format style, and I'm going to use my new measure as my chart title or the report title. That one is old one, so this is we created report title, and OK. And then I'm going to format my chart title, so it should be bold. The font value I wanted to put it maybe 45. It should be in middle. I want maybe in this color. And now we need to use a slicer as well, so I'm going to get a slicer, and my slicer values are countries in that. Okay, now let's click on country. So you can see that it started adding a country name here, and that looks good. Similarly, you can also create your visual title as well, which I already created. So I do not have any extra text on that. I just wanted to use my country name as a title. Fonts, maybe we can make it 40 then. Okay. So you can use on the visual title measure, I only have straight away country's name. So if I use that on the visual title by conditional formatting, then title, and I'm going to use my conditional formatting, and I'm going to use a visual title here. Then you can see it's only country name, and it shows there. We can also format that by changing a font size. So guys, this is all about how you can create a dynamic report or visual title. If you like the content of the video, then please comment, like, share and subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.